Now let's dive deeper into the features of the 3D viewport. First, take a look at the icons on the left side of the 3D viewport. This is the toolbar. You can toggle its visibility in the View menu by checking or unchecking the toolbar option. The hotkey for this is T. Next, enable the sidebar. Now you'll see the sidebar appear on the right side. The hotkey for this is N. The sidebar contains multiple tabs. In the Items section, you can check the transformation values of the selected object. In the Tools section, you can see details about the currently selected tool from the toolbar. This information is the same as what you find in the Tool Properties panel. Next, in the View section, you can adjust settings related to the 3D viewport. For example, if you decrease the focal length, you'll get a more exaggerated perspective effect. However, keep in mind that the focal length setting in the sidebar's View tab is different from the focal length in the camera settings. These are the default tabs in the sidebar. Blender also has a feature called add-ons, which are extensions that can enhance functionality. There are both free and paid add-ons available. When you activate an add-on, it will be added to this sidebar. For example, the mouse icon in the lower left corner of the screen indicates the use of a free add-on called Screencast Keys. This add-on visualizes the keyboard and mouse actions you perform in real time. You can adjust its settings from the sidebar. As you install more add-ons, they will appear in this sidebar as well. Now let's move on to window settings. Currently, the overall screen is divided into 4 different windows. If you move your mouse to the border between windows, the cursor will change into a double arrow. You can then drag to resize the windows. Additionally, if you move the cursor to the corners of a window, it will change into a cross icon. Dragging from here allows you to split or merge windows. You can also perform the same operations by right-clicking when the cursor is a double arrow and selecting the desired option from the menu. To switch between different window types, use the icon in the top left corner of each window. To reset to the default layout, select Timeline, Properties panel, and Outliner. The timeline is used for animation, where you can manage keyframes. If you want to temporarily work in full screen within a single window, you can maximize it by selecting Toggle Maximize Area from the View menu under the Area section. The hotkey for this is Control Spacebar. Press it while hovering over the window you want to maximize, and that window will expand, improving your workflow. To revert to the original layout, simply press Control Spacebar again.